look at them and then create a song. Okay, but this song in your mind never existed until you saw those lyrics. There was no planning ahead of time. You sat down in the studio and that came out of you when you read the lyrics.
That's always been the case. Whenever I've had a lyric, I've never known. That's the great thing, the surprise of getting the lyric and not is going to be, and looking through it, and there's the challenge of saying, well, what can I do?
When I play chess online, I look for the weakest players so I can win, and I lie about how, my level.
Yes,
because I always want to win. It's true.
You do that?
Absolutely.
Well, that's kind of
I go on, and they
It does look like a cow, but then it's like handwritten on there. I don't even understand where we kept this. It's insane that this is in storage.
Let me see a picture of this so I can see what Jason has just won.